Conflict can develop between two or more members when a team works together. There may be competing interests, needs, and agendas that impact employees. There is a breakdown of interpersonal relationships. Welcome to the course, How to Manage Team Conflict. Hello, my name is Leah Schmerling. I'm the course writer and founder of Career Coaching and Training. When a conflict between team members occurs, it can have a negative impact on the entire team. It can affect the team's productivity, lead to low morale, and impact the emotional and mental health of its members. It can also impact the team's performance and results and the organization's performance in attaining its goals. Action should be taken to address and resolve the issues. It will create a sense of safety for team members and harmony in the workplace. Conflict can be a creative opportunity to create change and lead to personal and professional growth. We hope you enjoy the course and apply the strategies to your career and life.